Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet pen holder designs model. Creating a crochet pen holder can be a rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you make a functional and attractive items. First, choose the right yarn. Opt for a sturdy yarn like cotton or a cotton blend. These types of yarn are durable, easy to wash, and hold their shape well, which is ideal for something like a pen holder that might get frequent use. A sturdy base. Ensure that your base is solid and stable. This might mean making a slightly thicker or double-layered base. You can achieve this by crocheting 2 circles and then crocheting them together, or by using a denser stitch pattern for the base. Tight stitches. Use tighter stitches to ensure that the walls of pen holder are firm and can stand up on their own. If the walls start to buckle or are not standing straight, consider using a smaller hook size to tighten the stitches. Keep it straight. To avoid your pen holder become low-pitched, make sure to maintain consistent tension throughout your project. This helps in keeping the shape uniform. Test for size. As you crochet, test the size by putting pens or pencils inside. This will give you an idea if the diameter and height are adequate and if the structure is firm enough to hold them. Reinforce the edge. Straighten the top edge of your pen holder by using slip stitches, a row of curved stitches, or even a picot edging for more elasticity and finish. Functional additions. Consider adding features such as divider inside the holder to organize pens, pencils, and other small items. This can be made by crocheting a small panel and attaching it vertically. Decorative touches. Personalize your pen holder with decorative elements like surface crochet for texturing appliques like flowers, animals, and details, or even attaching small fabric pieces. Colorful beads or buttons can also add a unique touch. These tips help you make a sturdy and attractive crochet pen holder. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.